Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to check the Google Ads position in your Google Ads. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. After that you have to simply type in Google Ads in the search bar, then click on enter. After that you have to just simply go to the first website like this, and here you will get the option of sign in and start now. So what you need to do, if you have already an account, just simply click on sign in, or you can also just go for start now if you would like to create an account. And then what you need to do, it will simply take you to the dashboard like this. Then what you need to do is simply click on the campaigns option like this. Then you have to simply expand the campaigns icon. Then here you have to go for the add groups option from here, and here you will get all the options of campaign that you are currently running. And then here you will have to just simply click on the columns icon in the top navigation bar, and then you have to just simply click on the modify columns. Once you click on the modify columns, you will see an interface like this. Then what you need to do is simply click on the all columns option from here. Once you click on the all columns option, here we will get the option of performance, setup, conversions, attribution, attributes, and all other things. So you have to choose it according to your preferences, and then click on the apply. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.